Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you guys are doing good. Allah bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel obviously by subscribing it. By subscribing my channel you can get your all favorite video which I made for you guys. So here is beautiful and your favorite video also. So guys, here you go. I let indicate you in the video. Today my video is about Pixie bob haircut. No doubt Pixie bob haircut is very demanding and on trending in fashion these days. It shows the all personality. This kind of Pixie bob haircut adopt all types of girls. Mostly all girls have not long hairs, but every girl can adopt the short hair. So this is the best idea. This pixie bob hair, every girl can achieve it and adopt it. Watch the video till the end. You can get your favorite style and color. You can adopt the pixie bob haircut with your favorite color, though it is base complete color or fashion color. You can adopt it with highlights also. I hope you guys will appreciate and like my effort. So guys, this is very beautiful haircut ideas, short haircut ideas. You can take a screenshot, you can download it as well, you can adopt it, one of them. All pixie bob wolf haircuts are on trending. These all hairstyles and haircuts are my favorite, and I hope these haircuts and styles are favorite too. So guys, choose one which is your favorite. You can also tell me that what kind of video you guys want to watch next. I will make it for you. I hope you guys like my video and like my effort. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it and don't forget to press bell icon and share to others. Like also. Thanks for watching the video. Watch the video till the end. You can comment and appreciate me. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a great hair day. Take care, guys.